Ever feel like you're working harder, but your profits aren't growing? You're bringing in more customers, selling more products, but the money just isn't adding up? There's one simple yet powerful concept that can help you make sound decisions for your business. And it all comes down to two numbers: your marginal cost and your marginal revenue. This is practical math that can change the way you run your business. And don't worry, we'll break it down simply. Marginal cost is the extra cost you incur to make just one more of something. Maybe you own a wine shop. You want to bottle one more of your house blends. Your marginal cost isn't the rent for your shop or the salary of your manager. It's the extra cost of the glass bottle, the cork, the label, any direct labor, the wine itself. It's only the variable costs. You sell that one additional bottle of wine. The money you get from that single sale, that's your marginal revenue, the money you make from selling that one thing. The magic happens when you put these two numbers together. This is the simple rule for maximizing profit. As long as your marginal revenue is greater than your marginal cost, you should keep producing and selling more. Every new item is making you money. But when your marginal cost becomes greater than your marginal revenue, stop. That extra item is costing you more to make than you're getting from the sale. You're losing money. The sweet spot, the point of maximum profit, is when your marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. You're not leaving money on the table by underproducing, and you're not losing money by overproducing. This isn't just about production. It applies to everything. Deciding on a new product line, evaluating a discount promotion, or planning a business expansion. By understanding and tracking these two numbers, you can stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions that directly increase your profitability. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the comments for an in-depth guide to marginal cost and marginal revenue.